Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing a super cute accent look. So first things first is we're going to do our base of clear all over our nail as our transition color for our marble. Then I'm taking Young Nails Cover Pink and I'm just gonna make like little diagonal lines. And I want to make sure that my brush is kind of wet so I can kind of blob it around and not have super crisp lines because marble isn't crisp. So you want to make sure that it's a little not jaggedy but just natural looking. After the pink, I am going in with Mia Secret White. You can go in with any color you want. I'm doing more of like a natural marble today, so we're gonna just be using white, pink, and a little bit of glitter. Oh, and some gold to give it some, you know, little pizzazz. Marble goes good with honestly every kind of set, from solid color to ombre to a French. Like if you need any ideas for an accent nail and you just don't know what to do a marble nail because they're just so elegant and classy, and I don't know, and if you like add little stickers or anything, they're just really cute, you know, they just add something to your set and bring it all together. So as you saw there, I am using first of all glitter, and I'm just kind of placing it in just a little empty spaces around the nail, and then anywhere I see needs more white, I'm just kind of adding it to make it a little bit more opaque. And then I go in with some gold foil just to kind of add that contrast and make it a little darker. I love these little butterfly stickers. I got them off of Zule's nail shop. I will go ahead and link that down below. I know she has an Instagram. I think it's like Zule Nails. So check her out definitely. She's the one who does the bling adhesive also. So next you're just gonna kind of fill in empty spaces that you think just need more, and just be really careful if this was an actual client not to get on their skin. Just make sure you're cleaning up and around the cuticle to prevent lifting. I also suggest investing in gold foil and the silver foil because they're really cute too on simple sets. Like even if you did an ombre and then did like all one nude nail with some gold foil, that's really cute too. So gold foil is definitely a decoration you need. So after you have your designs the way you want them, we're going to encapsulate the entire nail and just seal those designs and build the apex and make it all nice and smooth. Don't forget to clean up your sides. Once that baby is all encapsulated, we are going to wait for it to dry a little bit, and then we are going to file, shape, and buff. So after you do all that buff and dust, we are going to apply the top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Leave a like if you would rock this design. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I love you guys. Bye.